Hi guys, in this tutorial you will learn how to video record a Snapchat without detected. So it is easy, you just need to follow my steps. Step 1. Open Snapchat. Step 2. Open the chat wherein you want to make video recorder. Step 3. Put your phone in fly mode and start recording. Step 4. Stop recording. Step 5. Press and hold power button. Step 6. Press and hold home button. Step 7. Take away Snapchat and turn off fly mode. You have successfully completed video recording Snapchat without detected. Done. Thank you for watching. If you need premium support, you can contact me in www.fiverr.com/kingboy.